To deposit funds into your Etoro account, follow these simple steps. First, log into your Etoro account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Deposit Funds button, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen or in the account menu. Next, choose your preferred deposit method from the list of available options, which may include credit or debit cards, PayPal, bank transfer, or other payment methods. Select the method that is most convenient for you and click on it to proceed. Now, enter the amount you want to deposit into your Etoro account. Make sure to check the minimum and maximum deposit limits for your chosen payment method. You can find this information on the Etoro website or by contacting their customer support team. After entering the amount, you will be redirected to a secure payment page where you will need to enter your payment details. For credit or debit cards, this will include the card number, expiration date, and security code. For other payment methods, you may need to log into your account or provide additional information. Once you have entered your payment details, review them carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then, click on the deposit button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once the deposit is successful, and the funds will be added to your Etoro account. It is essential to note that deposit times may vary depending on the payment method you choose. Credit and debit card deposits are usually instant, while bank transfers may take a few days to process. Additionally, make sure to check for any deposit fees associated with your chosen payment method, as these can vary. By following these steps, you can easily deposit funds into your Etoro account and start trading. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your account and the payment method you choose to ensure a smooth and secure deposit process.